All right.
That's
I
about
think
it.
we're gonna go ahead and call it there, guys. Looks like we're running out of questions. Yeah, thanks for showing up. Hopefully our questions helped you. Hopefully our answers weren't too convoluted
Yeah.
on some of them. But you know, SEO is like
There's different schools of
there's so
thought.
much you can do. And so like when we're giving answers, what I generally try to do is like give best practice answers or like
Especially for newer
or
folk.
so for example like some of like the last couple questions that we answered, you know what you're talking about could actually be okay. It's just not the direction I'd ever really go in. I just feel like things could be done better a different way. um
Yeah, if you're newer, keep it simple is
yeah,
the way to go. Keep it simple.
especially you know some people, for example Yaniv, is definitely an out of the box
Yeah,
thinker.
he likes doing the experimental
Which
stuff, which
is,
is gonna be good over time. You'll learn a lot doing
yeah,
this kind of stuff.
for sure. You'll probably learn a lot quicker
You
than
might lose a lot of money too. I've lost a lot of money over the years getting
yeah,
experimental with different practices. But in the end, they help build a sort of toolkit that you'll use. So
yeah, but definitely in the beginning while you're really getting your foundations built, things I feel like things are really better. It's kind of just stick to the basics of what's working. You don't need to try to get too advanced or think outside of the box. And basically, you don't want to try to make your like creative thinking, you don't want to try to think more creatively than other SEOs when you don't really know SEO that well quite yet.
you might get
Um,
yourself into a hole that actually isn't very beneficial, and then you've squandered a lot of time and energy on things that if you would have kept it simple, would have probably provided you with more benefit over time.
yeah. Um, yeah, so you know, simple is good in a lot of cases. Um, yeah, I'm kind of just ranting again on the topic we already covered. But yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. Join our Facebook group, SEO Roundtable, if you're not in it quite yet. And yeah, we'll see you guys next
See you
time.
next week.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Be sure to check the description below for links to our blog for more info on this topic, along with a bunch of other cool stuff like case studies, our Facebook community, and our link building services. And like always, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell if you enjoyed the video. Thanks and happy ranking.